So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect and play FC Mobile 24 with your Xbox. So first of all, you need to connect your Xbox with your iPhone device. So I am turning on my Xbox. Press and hold 3 seconds, and it's turned on now. Now you have to pair with your iPhone with Bluetooth. For that, you need to press and hold 3 seconds this key. Once it's popping up, then you need to go your iPhone device and turn on your Bluetooth and wait a couple of seconds to add. This is the Xbox wireless control, so you have to press on it and you have to pair it, and your Xbox controller is connect now. Now let's open FC Mobile 24. So wait a couple of seconds. So I am trying to play a head-to-head game. And let's check it's working or not. So see, it's working. So this is how you can easily connect and play FC Mobile 24 with your Xbox controller. So hope video helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.